The following is a release from the People's National Party Media Unit.
This is Senator Donna Scott Motley, Shadow Minister of Foreign, Regional and Diaspora Affairs. I am speaking to you today with grave concern regarding reports of U.S. military strikes against vessels in the Caribbean waters. These actions have resulted in the loss of dozens of lives, including 2 Trinidadians, and the detention of 2 others. The Caribbean community's vision of this region as a zone of peace is under threat. Our people are entitled to pursue their livelihoods free from the shadow of militarization. These waters sustain life and commerce. They are not to be transformed into a theater of war. As a region, we have always chosen diplomacy and cooperation over force. I urge Prime Minister Andrew Holness, in his capacity as chairman of CARICOM, to initiate consultations among member states to forge a unified regional response. We must prioritize a clear reaffirmation of the Caribbean as a zone of peace, full respect for international law and the sovereignty of states. The Caribbean cannot afford to normalize extrajudicial actions in its waters. We must stand together to ensure that the principles of peace, sovereignty, and international law guide our future.
Visit our website at pnp.org.jm or check us out on Facebook at Jamaica PNP.